Welcome back, y'all. This is Victor Haskins with a part 2 to the buzzing guided practice that we started last time. Last time we did the pitches from F to B flat, going downwards. This time we're going to start at the same F, that F in concert F in the staff, and then go up to concert B flat in the staff. So we're going to go the opposite directions. This time we're going to be stretching upwards. That's kind of all I have to say this time. You guys hopefully have your mouthpieces out and ready to do this. Once again, we want to match the pitch, have a nice fat buzz quality, a nice fat tone to our buzz, and remain relaxed as possible. Of course, that's an ongoing process. You should be trying to figure out how can I relax more. If you have a fat sound and you're relaxed, you're doing something right. So here we go. F. Alright, let's take it up a half step. F sharp, concert F sharp. Go up another half step, G. This time, let's do a little crescendo, decrescendo action. If you want to follow my hand, you can do that, or do your own thing. Notice that as you get softer, you actually need more air in your tank, not less air. Counterintuitive, but you need more in the tank, air in the tank if you're going to go softer. Half step up, concert G sharp. Trumpet players, that should be flat. Here it is. Half step up. Concert A. One more half step up. Our final note, concert B flat. it is. That is our second iteration of guided buzzing, kind of in the middle-ish register. So yeah, I hope that was helpful for you guys. Once again, use this video if you play an instrument like trombone where you might be in a different octave. That's totally useful still to play along with this. You just be an octave down. Being able to hear octaves is a useful skill. And in addition, you can practice these same sequence of long tones and buzzing down an octave. Trumpet players especially, you can go down to low F and use the same thing with this drone, and you're just once going to be practicing hearing octaves and tuning octaves, which is a valuable, useful skill that you'll have to develop at some point. So why not start now? So you could do the F in the staff or the F below the staff, and both of those would be useful ventures. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.